Cotton. Stage 1. The original swaddle is within stage 1 of 3 in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. It's perfect for your newborn who is not yet rolling over and likes to be swaddled with their arms in approximately 0 to 6 months, but every baby is unique. Soft and comfortable. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddles are made out of soft fabric, 100% cotton, for ultimate comfort. Plus, they are machine washable. Safe and secure. The secure design of this swaddle blanket creates a cozy, womb-like feeling for baby and prevents startle reflex that can wake your infant. 3 sizes available. The SwaddleMe Original Swaddles come in 3 different sizes. The preemie fits up to 7 pounds, small fits 0 to 3 months, 7 to 14 pounds, up to 26 inches, large fits 3 to 6 months, 14 to 18 pounds, up to 33 inches. SwaddleMe Sleep Stages. This original swaddle is for newborns in the first stage in the SwaddleMe Stages of Sleep. When baby starts showing signs of rolling over, then it is time to transition to stage 2. Top reviews from the United States. Great swaddle for newborns. These are much easier to use than traditional swaddles and keeps my son nice and calm for sleep. He is 7 weeks old and he had been using these since week 1. He is long and lean, so he is beginning to get a little too long for this size, but we are still using the small, medium size. One thing I would suggest is closing the Velcro up before washing because otherwise it snags other clothing and the Velcro can become warped. I forget to close it every time I wash them though and they are still usable.